Welcome back to Elite Auto Hub, where we explore the most extraordinary and futuristic vehicles on the planet. And today we're entering a whole new realm of luxury travel with the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome. This is not just a motorhome, it's a statement of power, elegance, and exclusivity designed for those who want the Bugatti lifestyle even while crossing continents. From the first glance, the exterior instantly separates this motorhome from anything else on the road. The design language is clearly inspired by Bugatti Hypercars, with smooth aerodynamic curves, a wide and confident stance, and a bold front fascia that carries the spirit of speed. The signature horseshoe-style grille dominates the front, flanked by ultra-slim LED matrix headlights that give it a sharp, futuristic look. The body is crafted using lightweight carbon fiber and high-strength alloys, helping reduce overall weight while improving performance and efficiency. A custom two-tone paint finish, combined with polished metal accents, reflects Bugatti's heritage of hand-built excellence. Large performance-focused alloy wheels sit at each corner, paired with advanced braking systems and specially engineered tires for long-distance stability. Active aerodynamic elements subtly adjust while driving, improving airflow and reducing drag, which is something rarely seen in motorhomes, even when parked. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome looks like a moving sculpture, designed to turn heads wherever it goes. Step inside and the interior immediately feels more like a private jet or luxury yacht than an RV. Premium, hand-stitched leather, Alcantara, and finely finished wood or carbon fiber trims surround you. Every material is customizable, allowing owners to create a truly personal environment. The main living area is open and airy, enhanced by intelligent slide-out sections that expand the space when the vehicle is stationary. A panoramic glass roof stretches overhead, filling the cabin with natural light, while smart glass technology allows instant privacy when needed. The lounge area features deeply cushioned reclining seats inspired by Bugatti Grand Tourers, arranged around a sleek multifunction table. Hidden within the cabin is an 8K, ultra-high-definition display that rises smoothly at the touch of a button, paired with a premium surround sound system for an immersive entertainment experience. Ambient LED lighting runs throughout the interior, adjustable in color and intensity to match your mood or time of day. The kitchen continues the luxury theme with high-end built-in appliances, including an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, integrated coffee system, and cleverly concealed storage that keeps the design clean and minimal. Moving further inside, the sleeping quarters redefine comfort on the road. The bedroom is designed as a private luxury suite, featuring a king-size bed with adaptive memory foam that adjusts to your body for perfect support. Advanced sound insulation and vibration-damping technology ensure peaceful rest even after long drives. Soft ambient lighting, premium upholstery, and climate control create a calm and relaxing atmosphere that feels closer to a five-star hotel than a motorhome. The bathroom matches the same level of refinement, featuring a rain-style shower, luxury fixtures, smart mirrors with integrated displays, and climate-controlled flooring. Every element is carefully placed to maximize both comfort and functionality, proving that no compromises were made in the design process. Under the hood, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome delivers performance that truly lives up to the brand's legendary name. It is expected to feature a high-performance hybrid powertrain that combines a turbocharged engine with advanced electric motors. This setup delivers massive torque for smooth acceleration and effortless highway cruising while improving efficiency. Compared to traditional large motorhomes, an advanced adaptive suspension system continuously adjusts to road conditions, offering a ride that balances comfort with confident handling. All-wheel drive ensures strong grip in various driving conditions, whether you're cruising on open highways or navigating challenging terrain. Advanced driver assistance systems further enhance the driving experience, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, night vision, and a full 360-degree camera system. Despite its size, the motorhome feels surprisingly composed and refined behind the wheel, making long-distance journeys less tiring and more enjoyable. Exclusivity plays a major role when it comes to pricing. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is expected to start around $2.5 to $3 million, with the final price heavily influenced by customization choices. Bespoke interiors, unique materials, and personalized design elements can push the cost significantly higher. This is a motorhome built for a very select audience, those who demand absolute luxury, performance, and individuality. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome represents a bold vision of what the future of luxury travel can be. It combines hypercar-inspired design, advanced performance technology, and unmatched comfort into one extraordinary vehicle. For those who believe the journey should be just as remarkable as the destination, this motorhome sets an entirely new standard. Stay connected with Elite Auto Hub for more exclusive and futuristic automotive content.